안녕하세요. Hello K-friends, welcome back to my channel. My son who's away bought soybean sprouts and asked what he could cook with them. Inspired by his question, I decided to make something simple and tasty dish, soybean sprouts fried rice. By the way, there is a bonus video. Stay tuned. Let's get started. How to make the sauce. In a bowl, add about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce to enhance the flavor. 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of gochujang, a little pepper, and about half tablespoon of minced garlic. Mix well. It's better to prepare the sauce in advance and use it later as it will become more flavorful. The amount of the sauce made today is for 2 servings. This is the soybean sprouts we will use today. This is mung bean sprouts. Soybean sprouts and mung bean sprouts look similar, but soybean sprouts have a larger top part. Rinse the soybean sprouts in water 2 to 3 times. After washing, put the soybean sprouts in boiling water. Open the lid and blanch for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, take out the soybean sprouts and soak them in cold water, then drain. This will make the texture of the soybean sprouts crunchier and better later. Slice about 2 green onions. If you have a pork belly, chop it into small pieces for protein supplementation. Heat a pan with some oil. Add a chopped green onions. Stir fry well. When the aroma of the green onions comes out, add the chopped pork. Stir fry on medium-high heat. After 1 minute, add the sauce and stir fry. Stir frying the sauce like this makes the dish much more flavorful. Add about 2 bowls of rice. Mix well so that the rice grains separate. If the rice clumps, you can press it down with a spatula while stir frying. Add the blanched and drained soybean sprouts and mix well. Adding the soybean sprouts last and mixing them will keep their texture crunchy and enhances the flavor. Stir fry for about 1 minute. After 1 minute, look at this. It looks so delicious. Once well mixed, add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil and sprinkle some sesame seeds. Place it in a bowl. Serving it this way in a bowl makes it look more delicious. It's delicious as it is, but adding a fried egg on top can enhance both taste and appearance. If you like cooking, you can also sprinkle some on top of the rice. Flavorful, crunchy, and delicious soybean sprout fried rice is done. Bonus video. Having trouble finding soybean sprouts? Then I will show you how to make it with mung bean sprouts. Heat a pan with some oil. Add the chopped green onions. Stir fry well. Just like before, when the aroma of the green onions comes out, add a chopped pork. Stir fry well. After 1 minute, add the sauce. Stir fry well. Add about 2 bowls of rice and mix well with the seasoning so that the rice grains separate. Now, add the washed and drained mung bean sprouts. You don't need to blanch mung bean sprouts in advance, as they can be also eaten raw. Mix well and stir fry for about 1 minute. After 1 minute, add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil and sprinkle a little sesame seeds. Then mix well. Wow, look at this! Smells so good. Savory and crunchy mung bean sprouts fried rice is done. So crispy and savory taste. It's perfect meal. Wow, the ingredients are simple, but the taste is not simple at all. How was today's video? I hope my son makes it after watching. If you have a soybean sprouts at home, try making this too. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.